All right, you need a lightning fast dessert because you don't have time to mess around, and you want to make it something that everybody wants. All right, easy peasy. We have a cherry and peach dump cake that we've laced with almonds. It goes together in 5 minutes flat, and everybody will fight over it. This one is a keeper. All right, let's cook, y'all. We got a family to feed. Alrighty, here we go. All right, so I've got about a cup of almonds that I've diced up, and I've got them on this flat griddle. This is a non-stick griddle, and it's dry. I'm just gonna toast those almonds for a minute, just to kind of wake up the essential oils. You don't have to do that, but I think it's a really nice touch. And this dessert goes together in seconds, and it is so super easy. You know, you really don't have much excuse not to do not to make it just a little bit better, although it's phenomenal by itself. All right, so this is 1 can of peaches. How many was in here? This is peach chunks, which quite honestly, I didn't mean to buy. I meant to buy slices. All right, so that's a 15-ounce can of peaches. I meant to buy slices. It does not matter. You can use whatever you've got, right? And this is a 21-ounce can of cherry pie filling. And I get the one that says extra cherries, because extra cherries should just be a thing, no matter what. All right, so this goes right on top, and we're stirring this together. Boom, boom. We're not even working hard. This is a what size is this? 11 by 7 baking dish. All right, so that's it. That's all we're doing to that right there. Dun, 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 dun. Man, bad cherry pie filling is delicious. That's pretty good cherry pie filling, but I'm just saying, it's good. All right, now you can put, oh, these are already, they smell good. All right, so here we go. I'm putting our toasted nuts evenly right over the top. And I'll tell you, this is great. You know, summertime gets busy. This is a great way to throw a dessert together that everybody loves. But you don't have to work real hard at it. All right, one thingy. Well, it wasn't a box. It's a box of yellow cake mix. And you're scattering this right over the top. As much as I like to bake from scratch, sometimes, y'all, even I run out of time. I guess I could have to shake it. Okay, so I do want to spread that evenly. So here's what's going to happen when this bakes. All that luscious fruit is going to bubble right up through there. It's going to turn that cake mix into kind of a streusel topping, especially because we're doing this. This is 12 tablespoons of butter. And we are cutting it into pieces, because this is going to go right over the top of our dessert. Why? Because it's fabulous, is why. It also helps turn that cake mix into kind of almost a streusel topping, really. So take your little squares of butter, just like that. My butter squares are going all over the place. Oh, y'all can't even see what I'm doing. That's genius. I'm just using my little knife here to cut up my sticks of butter. So Mark requested this, and I think Mark is most likely in Great Britain, because when he asked for it, he said he wanted tinned peaches, and I had to sit there and go, what? So that's my big deduction, is that Mark is in Great Britain somewhere with his tinned peaches. That took me a minute to run the translation. Mark, if you're not, tell me where you are. Or tell me where you are anyway. I don't know. That's kind of fun. I do have quite an audience in Great Britain, and I'm not entirely sure if they just are fascinated with Southern food, if they like the whole comfort food thing, if we've got some expats over there, I don't know. But Great Britain and Ireland are my number 2 and 3 countries right after the US. Okay, so we are a total of 5 minutes into this, and we're going to throw this into a 350-degree oven, and we are going to let it all bake together. See what that looks like? That is perfect. Wait till you get a load of this one. All right, here we go. We have had right at 45 minutes. 45 minutes in a 350-degree oven, and that, y'all, is a thing of beauty. No, I'm messing with my oven. Hold on a minute. Okay, shoo. There we go. All right, so let's see how we're doing here. This is absolutely beautiful. Let me show you. See, that's what we're after. Perfect. And kids are not home yet, so I'm just gonna sneak a little bit right here. Oh yeah. Yum. That's gonna be hot. Can we see? Nope. Won't focus. Fine. Focus on that. The ham, I see little bitty bits of onion. Mmm. Oh wow, y'all. That's every bit as good as you think it's going to be, and I thought it was going to be pretty daggone fine. Mmm. Mmm. Perfect. All right, y'all, it's time for dessert. So this had about 35 minutes. Oh, goodness. In a 350-degree oven. Check it out. Can you see it bubbling? I can hear it. I can hear it. Yes! All right, y'all, this is perfect. And, well, am I out of bowls? Am I? That's fine. Okay, so let's see what we got here. We are going to scoop this out. And just because we can, and y'all know how I feel about gilding the lily. I think lilies should be gilded. So, see that? You want to know what makes this even better? Yep. No, I had to. That, woo, is a thing of beauty. I've got to take a picture real quick. So that, y'all, is our peach and cherry dump cake. Man, I wish I had a better name for it than that. Name's horrible, but boy, the flavor is out of this world. Mmm. Shoo, y'all. Make 2 of these. Yep. Nailed it. Hey YouTube, thanks for watching, and if you thought that video was helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the little bell so you get a notification whenever I post a new video. And if you have a second, hop on over to Patreon and check out how to support my channel even more. Again, thanks for watching.